Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make custom thumbnails on YouTube. This is super important for people to actually see your video, is that you have a good thumbnail so they'll actually click and watch your video. I'm going to show you a free way and a paid way. But before we get to that, if you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, the first way we're going to learn is free, and that is on Canva, canva.com. So you can go in here, create an account. It's completely free, and then you will find right here where it says YouTube thumbnail, and they're going to have a bunch of different templates that you can use. You can see all of them over here on the left hand side. You can change, these are templates, so you can change anything on them, but let's just pick this one here. So if we were going to do a thumbnail for this video, I could write something like how to make thumbnails. Now you want to come up with something that is very enticing for people to click on. That may not be the best title, but your titles are important too. But I just wanted to show you how to make the actual thumbnail. So we can change the font, we can change the style, the color. So if we wanted to change the background color here, we would just like click on it, and you can see in the left hand corner up here it's blue. So if you click on that, you can change it, you know, whatever color you want there, but let's just say we're going to change it to blue. You want it to be something that really stands out too, so maybe we'll leave it at that. And then if you want to put your picture on there, what you would do is, I would recommend going to remove the background of your image. So if you go to remove.bg, this will do it for you for free. So I went ahead and already did that. So you just select a photo. Let's do it again here so I can show you. Just select the photo, and then it just automatically removes the background there, and then you download it here, and then you just have your image without the background. So we'll go back over to Canva, and you click on uploads. So just upload that image that you just saved over here with the removed background, which I have right here. Just click on that, and it'll just take it right over to the thumbnail. You want to remember that the right hand corner on the bottom, they're going to have that timestamp, so you don't want to put anything down there where somebody couldn't read it. So I'm going to put my image over here and then just move this down a little bit, make my picture bigger, and then I'll have to make this a little bit smaller so you can read it, but you get the idea. And then you can add text if you wanted to, even more. You have graphics you could add if you want. Let's just get really creative. That's probably not a good graphic to add there, but you get the idea. Then if you wanted to add some text to it, you could, you know, add more text to it as well. And then you just go ahead and click right here, download it, and save it to your computer, and then you'll upload it to your YouTube video. So that's the first way, is Canva. Now the way that I like is paid, and it's called Thumbnail Blaster. This costs you $37 one time, and I had mentioned in another video that I was outsourcing my YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr and would pay like $7 a thumbnail, so that's like $210 a month, and this is $37 one time, and you can do it yourself. Mine may not be quite as good yet because I'm just getting started on doing them myself, but after you log into and install the software, you just click on Thumbnail Creator. And he has a bunch of tutorials in here, so it's super easy, even if you're not technical, to be able to figure out how to make these. But I'll show you real quick how you do it. And what I would recommend too is whatever keyword that you're going after, go ahead and look at all the other thumbnails that are there, the ones that are ranking on the top 4 or so, and see what their thumbnails look like. Obviously don't copy them, but see the ones that really stand out to you, so you can do something similar to that as far as what they use for the words on it, but also the colors and the way that they do the thumbnail. So I like to just go on start with no video, and you can see all the different templates down here. Now I did get the upgrade, which is like I think $20 a month, but that's definitely not needed. That's the ones that are in the purple here, or the upgraded ones. But you can see there's a lot of different ones that you can choose from. So let's just scroll down here and see one that would be good. Let's just go with, well, that's an upgraded one. Let's just go with a free one here. Let me come back up to this one here. So that one's really easy to do. Okay, so you see it's just an editor and it just has the template there for you already. So we're going to take her out of there. I have some images already loaded up here that I have the background removed. So I'm going to put myself in the lower right hand corner. I'm going to make myself bigger and then just drag these over here. I mean, you can do this in like just a couple minutes. So I'm going to make myself bigger. You can see you can rotate pictures too, or text. You can rotate text. So make this bigger, and then just click on, just like an editor, this might not be the best template to choose for this, but you get the idea. So then if you're gonna keep this red background, just go ahead and click on it and make it larger. This right here we're going to make smaller, so you just come over to the left hand side and I'll have a place for you to, let's see, actually go ahead and click on the image, or click on the text first, and then you'll get right here where you can make it smaller or larger. So we're just going to make it a little bit smaller. This one here, you can make that a little bit smaller. And then if you wanted to change the background, you could do that right here. Maybe if you wanted to change the color to something else. So that's basically it, and then you can just save it as a JPEG and then load it up to your YouTube channel. So it's super, super easy to do. I would recommend the second one just because they have so many different templates in here. Like on
this page, you are going to see all the
these that I started doing, or the most recent ones when I started using the thumbnail blaster, and then The ones that I had somebody do in Fiverr were these right here. Someone did this one for me, but it's pretty easy to do, that you can figure out, you know, how to make them look really good and stand out. And again, that's super, super important in someone actually clicking on your video. And I've seen a lot of increase in my channel since I started using the thumbnail blaster. So if you want to get the thumbnail blaster, like I said, it's just one-time fee of $37. I'll leave a link in the description below the video. That'll be the first one. And then if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the second link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.